Hello and welcome. Have you ever looked at the money in your pocket and wondered exactly where it comes from? Today, we will explore the fascinating history and infrastructure of Indian currency. The magic behind India's money is a massive organization called SPMCIL, or Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. It's 100% owned by the Government of India and produces banknotes, coins, passports, and other secure government papers. Before 2006, India's currency system was fragmented, leading to low productivity and slow responses to counterfeiting. Corporatization post-2006 consolidated 9 units into SPMCIL, modernizing the system and integrating advanced security. SPMCIL operates 9 highly secure facilities across India. These include 4 government mints, 2 currency presses, 2 security presses, and 1 security paper mill, all strategically spread to protect the nation's wealth. SPMCIL's massive operation is divided into 4 operational pillars. These include the currency presses, the mints, the security presses, and the paper mill, each with a specialized role in securing India's financial documents. Pillar 1 is the security paper mill in Narmadapuram. It produces the highly durable, customized paper for banknotes, stamps, and passports. This physical paper structure is the critical first line of defense against counterfeiting. Pillar 2 consists of the Indian currency printing presses in Nashik and Dewas, which print over 40% of India's currency. They use advanced capabilities like master engraving and intaglio printing to create circulating banknotes. Indian banknotes feature advanced security. This includes optical variable inks that change color, microscopic microlettering, and complex guilloche patterns. The ink itself is manufactured in-house to maintain secrecy and security. Pillar 3 is the security printing presses in Nashik and Hyderabad. They secure more than just money, producing 100% of India's secure passports, international visas, postal stamps, and other critical legal documents like government bonds. Pillar 4 involves the 4 mints or forges in Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and Noida. Their core responsibility is producing all circulation coins for the Indian public, along with refining raw gold and silver. The SPMCIL mints are also entrusted with crafting India's most prestigious national awards, including the Bharat Ratna and Padma medals. They also produce commemorative medallions and proof coins for collectors. SPMCIL is recognized globally for its expertise, actively exporting highly secure banknotes and security products to sovereign neighbors. This international trust highlights their authoritative role in security printing. SPMCIL is a corporate giant, headquartered in New Delhi. It employs a workforce of 5,752 dedicated employees and is guided by a governance framework involving the Ministry of Finance, the RBI, and other key government departments. From the blank sheet of paper to the coins and the passport in your hand, SPMCIL represents the highly secure, interconnected infrastructure powering Indian daily life. Thank you for unlocking the vault with us today.